Imagine a world where machines can create art, compose music, and even write stories. What was once the realm of science fiction is now our reality. Welcome to the exciting world of artificial intelligence, or AI, and its growing role in the creative process. Creativity, an attribute once thought to be uniquely human, is being redefined as AI technology advances. Machines driven by AI are beginning to dabble in the arts, showcasing a capacity for creativity that many of us never dreamed possible. From painting to poetry and symphony to storytelling, AI is proving to be a game changer. We're witnessing a new era where AI is not just a tool assisting artists, but is becoming an artist itself. It's crafting unique pieces of art, composing original melodies, and penning intriguing narratives. Take, for instance, the AI that created a new Rembrandt painting, painstakingly simulating the Dutch master's technique, or consider the AI that composed a symphony in the style of Bach, so convincingly that it had musicologists fooled. And let's not forget the AI that wrote a novel which almost won a literary prize in Japan. These examples are just a taste of what AI can do. But it's not just about replicating human creativity. AI is also capable of generating entirely new creative content, pushing the boundaries of what we consider art, music, and literature. It's redefining our understanding of creativity and expanding the horizons of human imagination. But how does AI do it? How does it learn to create? It all comes down to complex algorithms and deep learning models that enable machines to analyze, understand, and replicate different styles of creativity. They learn from vast amounts of data, then apply that knowledge in innovative ways. AI is not here to replace human creativity, but rather to enhance it. It's a new tool in our creative toolbox, opening up a world of possibilities. It's an exciting time to be a creator as we explore this new frontier of AI-generated content. The possibilities are endless when we merge technology and creativity. Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world and see how you can harness the power of AI to unlock your own creative potential. Now that we've sparked your interest, you might be wondering how to get started with AI-generated content. This is where the fun begins, by choosing your AI artist. With a plethora of AI tools out there, you're spoilt for choice. Let's start with AI tools suitable for generating visual art. DeepArt and Deep Dream Generator are popular choices. These platforms use a technique called style transfer to transform your photos into remarkable pieces of art. Simply upload your photo, choose a style, and voila! You have a unique masterpiece. If you're more musically inclined, OpenAI's MuseNet might be your go-to. This AI can compose original songs in a variety of styles and genres. It's a symphony at your fingertips. For the wordsmiths out there, OpenAI's GPT-3 offers a fascinating playground. This powerful language model can draft emails, write articles, and even create poetry. It's like having a Shakespeare in your pocket. But how do you select the right tool for you? It all boils down to what you're looking to create. If you want to dabble in visual art, go for style transfer tools. If you want to compose music, an AI like MuseNet would be ideal. And for writing, a language model like GPT-3 would be the way to go. Remember, these tools are not one-size-fits-all. Feel free to experiment and mix things up. You might use DeepArt to create a beautiful backdrop and then use GPT-3 to write an engaging story set in that scene. The possibilities are truly endless. And yes, while these tools do most of the heavy lifting, they don't replace the need for creativity. They are simply tools in your creative toolbox, helping you bring your ideas to life in ways you might not have imagined. So, take the leap. Explore these tools, and let your creativity run wild. You might be surprised at what you and your AI artist can create together. Remember, the tool doesn't make the artist, but the right tool can certainly help. Ready to roll up your sleeves and dive into the world of AI-generated content? Let's walk through a practical example together. Picture this. We're about to use an AI tool to generate a piece of music. We start by selecting our desired genre and mood. Maybe we want a jazzy tune with a joyful vibe. With just a few clicks, we feed our preferences into the AI model. Next, we set the length of our composition. Let's say we're aiming for a 2-minute piece. No problem for our AI composer. We input our desired duration and the AI starts to work its magic. It begins to compose, note by note, a unique piece of music based on our specifications. In the blink of an eye, the AI has created a fully fledged composition. But the fun doesn't stop there. We can tweak and refine the generated piece. Perhaps we want to change the tempo or add a little more bass. The AI tool allows us to do exactly that, providing us with a platform to co-create alongside the machine. Now let's switch gears and generate a piece of writing, say a poem. We input a theme, maybe the beauty of a sunset, and the AI, like a digital Shakespeare, starts to weave words together. It's not just about generating random phrases. The AI uses complex algorithms to ensure the poem makes sense and resonates with the given theme. And voila! We have a poem that didn't exist a few minutes ago. We can refine it, add our personal touch, or leave it as it is. The choice is ours. This is the magic of AI-generated content. It's like having an infinite number of artists at our disposal, ready to create on our command. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech whiz to use these tools. They're designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. As you can see, creating AI-generated content doesn't have to be complicated. Now that you've got the basics down, let's take your AI-generated content to the next level. To really master your AI tool, you'll want to delve deeper into how the model works. Understanding the parameters and training data can help you tweak and optimize your output. For instance, if you're working with an AI for text generation, you might experiment with temperature settings. A higher temperature results in more random output, while a lower one makes the AI more deterministic. In addition to your main AI tool, there are several supplementary resources that can complement your creative process. These might include online communities where you can exchange ideas, tutorials to expand your knowledge, or even additional software that can fine-tune your AI's output. Remember, mastery comes with practice and exploration. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of what your AI tool can do. With these tips and tricks, you're well on your way to becoming an AI artist. As with any powerful tool, it's important to consider the ethical implications. When we talk about artificial intelligence in the realm of creativity, we're not just discussing algorithms and data. We're venturing into the realm of human expression, where bias, fairness, and responsibility hold profound importance. Let's take bias, for instance. AI models learn from the data they're fed, and if that data leans one way or another, so too will the AI's output. This can result in content that is skewed or even offensive. It's our duty as creators to ensure we're using diverse and inclusive data sets. Moreover, we must use AI responsibly. It can be tempting to let the machine do all the work, but remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity. It's there to enhance our creative process, not to take over it. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Now it's your turn to shine. We've walked through the power of artificial intelligence, the tools to harness it, and the steps to create with it. We've tackled the ethical considerations and shared some tips and tricks. Now we turn our gaze towards you, the innovators, the risk-takers, the creative minds who are ready to dive into the world of AI-generated content. It's an exciting time to be a creator. With AI at your fingertips, you're not just shaping your own artistic journey. You're part of a broader movement that's redefining what it means to be creative. You're pushing boundaries, asking questions, and crafting narratives that have never been seen or heard before. And it's time to bring those visions to light. Imagine the thrill of seeing your AI-generated masterpiece featured in our community spotlight. A piece of music that moves hearts, a piece of art that captures souls, a piece of literature that stimulates minds, all brought to life by the synergy of your creativity and AI's capabilities. What's more, sharing your creations allows you to engage with a vibrant community of like-minded creators. You can collaborate, exchange ideas, and inspire one another. It's not just about showcasing your work, it's about being part of a collaborative and dynamic ecosystem that thrives on innovation and creativity. So how do you join this creative revolution? It's simple. Start experimenting with the AI tools we've introduced. Let your imagination run wild, and when you're ready, share your AI-generated content with us. Whether it's your first attempt or a seasoned masterpiece, we want to see it all. You're not just creating content, you're pioneering a new form of artistry. You're part of a community that's on the cutting edge of creativity, and together we're shaping the future of art, music, literature, and beyond. And remember, there's no right or wrong when it comes to creativity. It's about expressing yourself, exploring new horizons, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So let your creativity flow, let AI be your co-artist, and let the world see your vision. We can't wait to see what you create with AI.